Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can add transparent text in a CapCut apps. So I already have one clip and then I'm going to add the text. Select text, add text. Just write the text and then to make transparent text you can select style and then select opacity and adjust for the opacity. Click check mark. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.